Welcome to YouTube Creators called Story Tips Free. Today we discuss about YouTube keyboard shorts. This is very important thing of all YouTube creators. This is very interesting story. This is the very important and this you could be find. First you log in your YouTube channel. Okay, first you log in your YouTube channel. You must below you scroll in below your profile ID. You can scroll in sign out state. Sign out that can you can create you can see a YouTube shortcuts keywords. Okay, this is very important shortcut key in our word process and PowerPoint and MS Word. You can think many shortcut keys you use. This is very important shortcut keys. All YouTubers, okay. This very helpful all YouTubers. First, you could be find that sections, okay. Then it's the creator a very importance of all YouTubers and the importance this creators helpful. This should be the manual. This manual creators, okay. It's very familiar in our country, all in the world. Your channel will be promoted. It's a very important kindly method. That kindly method you have a different properties and different method at types and developmentic volume. Volume title and this would be the importance, the kindable and memorable. That is the very logical and the keywords and shortcuts key. And this the shortcuts key and the logical these shorts and the proper destination, okay. This the proper and the bad word these YouTube creators and the important should be all YouTubers families. It could be the importance and other benefits that is the very logical and critical, and this could be the shortcut, the logical and the divisor and the logic and the proper destinations, okay. It could be the proper destinations and the very proper keyboard. That is the main important things of YouTube creators. YouTube creators are called story tips free. It is the very logical and the important and it must be this very famous. It can very interesting story. It can some very interesting story. That should be the proper destinated way. That proper destinated way should be Western category. That that is the main importance of YouTube creators. I think it is this keyword may be a controls all words, controls words and the proper way, and it should be very destinations categories are available. Destination categories are available. That should be the importance and the method. It can vary increasing a shortcuts method, okay. Then it's very famous. Then it's very famous and the illogical method YouTube creators are called story tips free. Its importance at all YouTubers and very very familiar. That a very familiar should be a proper destination way, and it's a logical and importance care. That's the importance care. It must be the it must be a wonderful fields. It must be wonderful fields, and it must be wonderful fields, and the shortages. It should be that category. The important should be the very categories are familiars and the proper destination way. That's proper destination way, and YouTube creators are called story tips free. It must be the shortages and the dangerous and the very continuous method. You can add description, you can add tags, description, tags, and title, which category and the logical data, data analysis and the data change, data analysis and the data change, uploading time and uploading your videos items. It must be clear. It must be clear, and 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 it's very familiar. It can have shortages. It can shortages that can have that can have a and proper destination way. Proper destinations way. It's a important. That's the important categories of all YouTubers. Okay. If you like this video, you must subscribe. You like your comments. Your comments is very important. Your comment is very important, and 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 a very growing method. We are in some growing stages. These stages, your video must be an very valuable items, and it would be proper way, and it would be in the proper way, and that is a mini plant of tree, a kind of tree, is a small tree, a growing a large material, a large supporting plants tree may be large supporting, and it can important all stages. It can be all stages, and the initial stages and the middle stage and the final stages. All stages are very crucial, and very happiest moment in our situation. Very happiest moment, and this is a only thing of YouTube creators are called story tips free. This channel you must be subscribe this channel. Your channel will be growing very logical methods, and it should be clear, and it can find everything. It can find everything. It should be the proper kind of the way. A small thickle of the generous method. It must be the clearance and logical. This can important method, and the proper destination is the color. That color must be the very kinds of all YouTube creators called storage is free. In this video descriptions, everything are you can see, and it must be the very proper way, and a subscriber and including about the content and YouTube about the YouTube content, so you can easily download and you can easily subscribe this video. Okay, this video subscribe, you have many optionals, and I have very familiar methods. Okay, you can familiar method, you can put the importance, and important final stages. It's that is the proper destination way, and this could be the clear and logical method.